Hi everybody, much peace to you and welcome. Today I decided to shoot a video standing in the ground, standing on the ground, and I want to speak about vibrational alignment and contrast. Okay, vibrational alignment and contrast. And I believe that, the heart is always speaking to you. Okay, the intuition is constantly speaking to you, and in essence is that small voice that is speaking without thought, is speaking without words. It doesn't speak English or Romanian or French. It speaks energy, it speaks frequency. Okay, so is the intuition. Okay, vibrational alignment is the intuition. The more that you are listening to your intuition is the more that you are in the aligned state. So it's about really learning to stay connected to your higher self. Okay, your higher self, because the higher self speaks to you through your feelings. And when you listen to your intuition, when you listen to your feelings, that is actually vibrational alignment. When you cannot listen to your feelings, you are in resistance, and that is contrast. Now, contrast is also okay to be experienced, because in contrast you get to learn what you truly want, and in contrast you learn that there are so many potentialities. There are so many parallel realities that you can actually tune into, and really our desired things have a frequency attached to it, and anything that you desire is actually available right here, right now, in the present moment, because time is an illusion. Past, present and future are happening simultaneously. It means that it's all happening right here, right now. And when you attune your frequency, when you attune your energy to what you desire, you realize that everything that you desire is actually right here, right now. So it's about really getting to match the frequency. Okay, getting to match the frequency, getting to match the energy, getting to put your energy and your consciousness and your feelings and your thoughts in that state that is connected to your desired thing. So it's all now. Okay, everything that you desire is already right here, right now. And what I'm realizing is the fact that we don't have to be attached. Okay, if we are in vibrational alignment, we realize that it's all within, and we don't have to be attached to the outcome. Okay, it's all in our state of consciousness. The abundance, the high frequency, the happiness, the love, the peace, the harmony, the action is right here, right now, in our state of consciousness. So it's about really learning to match the frequency. And what I'm realizing is the fact that I don't have to expect perfection. Okay, I don't have to expect perfection, because things are perfect in their imperfection. Things are perfect in their imperfection, and I don't have to be attached to the outcome. So it's about really getting to be detached, be detached, because when you are detached, you are becoming magnetic. And when you are becoming magnetic, you attract different things into your life. And I've seen this in myself, that I was attached to a certain person. But what I'm realizing is the fact that that created suffering. Attachment creates suffering. But when we really take responsibility for our own state of consciousness, is the more that we realize that we can actually be anything that we desire, and that we already have everything that we need. So I've seen in those moments that I had to step into a state of gratefulness. I had to step into a state of gratefulness. I had to step into a state of higher consciousness and detachment. And trust me, when you are vibrationally aligned, you are operating from the consciousness of the spirit. Okay, you are operating from the consciousness of the spirit. You are operating from the consciousness of the higher self. And vibrational alignment feels good. But you cannot always stay connected to your vibrational aligned state. And in those moments you have to embrace your resistance. You have to embrace the fact that you cannot accept yourself. And you have to accept that you cannot accept, And that is also a good way to actually step into vibrational alignment. To go and to look at yourself honestly and really get to embrace and love and appreciate yourself. You know, because I believe that self-love will increase your frequency. You know, self-love and not taking things so seriously will actually increase your frequency. So it's about really getting to learn to dance with life in a new way. You know, get to actually dance with life in a way that represents your unique soul signature, your self-expression. The way that you see life is important. You know, perception creates reality, the principle of mentalism. Everything is mental. We live in a mental reality, okay? So it's about really getting to attune yourself to a new state, attune your mind into a new consciousness, you know, change your perception. Because someone said, change your mind and you will change your world, you know? So it means that how you perceive it, you receive it. It's all about your state of consciousness. It's all about the energy that you have. It's all about the choices that you are choosing to actually make. It's all about how you choose to express yourself. So it's a state of consciousness. Vibrational alignment, it's a state of consciousness. And you know, I realized that we are actually human beings. We are human beings, we are not human doings, okay? Because in today's society, the self-development coaches are so much focused on doing. And yes, they have a point, because doing is okay and stepping into action is okay. But my suggestion is try as much as possible to actually find your happiness right where you are standing right now. You know, find contentment and find happiness and find the joy in the present moment. The universe will actually take care of the rest. So it's about trust, you know, trust it, love it, embrace it. Bring higher consciousness to it. It will all manifest for you. It will all manifest for you the moment that you actually step into vibrational alignment. Okay? So yes, vibrational alignment is nothing more than staying connected with your heart space, with your intuition. Okay? That is where the magic is happening, in the heart space. Listen to your heart, listen to your spirit, and realize that there are actually no mistakes. There are no mistakes. Okay, there are only experiences that you can actually learn from. It's about alchemy. Okay, try as much as possible to love yourself, try as much as possible to listen to your heart, and try as much as possible to find happiness and contentment right where you are standing right now. It's all about the mindset, guys. How you perceive it, you receive it. Everything is mental. Make sure that your thoughts are in vibrational alignment with what you desire, and the universe will actually have to send it to you in the most magical ways. Thanks so much for watching. This is today's video about vibrational alignment. Realize that you are creating the reality that you are experiencing with the perception that you have. You are attracting in your life things based on the energy that you have. Your actions are also important. Make sure that you step into high vibrational actions, and in the end, make sure that you are actually being grateful for life, because again, there are no mistakes. There are only lessons to be learned. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This was today's message about vibrational alignment. If you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, and if you wish to work with me personally, feel free to send me a message. Also, if you wish to be part of the spiritual podcast called Consciously Awakening, feel free to also send me a message. Much peace, and see ya on what is coming up next. Bye bye.